Thank you, Chris Hartman, for providing the reference photo of U.S. Coast Guard Feco. The Coast Guard's canine program started during World War II. Dog teams would conduct beach patrols looking for Japanese and German patrols. During the 1980s through the early 2000s, the Coast Guard had narcotics detection dogs at various stations. After September 11th, the Coast Guard implemented its explosives detection canine program. That's what our dogs currently do. One of the biggest missions is safeguarding maritime mass transit and protection of our ports. Chris had this to say about Feco. This is Feco. He's the first and currently the only Vizsla serving in the U.S. Coast Guard. He has a huge following on Facebook, and the Vizsla followers think he's the best ever. Feco is stationed in San Francisco, and his primary duties include securing the ports and patrolling the ferry system. Feco has participated in many large events like Super Bowl 50, presidential security details, and security for high-ranking government officials, foreign leaders, and dignitaries who visit the Bay Area. Thank you, Chris, for training and caring for our unsung heroes, U.S. Coast Guard Feco, Evy, and Ricky.